Hello! Hey! Welcome back to Beauty by Dave, where we do beginner boy beauty, where we play with makeup products just for fun. What are we doing today? We're doing this cool product. I don't know how to say it. Give? I think we just say give, but it looks like GXVE. I don't actually know how to spell it. Do we spell it GIVE? Do we spell it GXVE? I'm not sure. You can spell it however you want. It's the Gwen Stefani brand of makeup, I guess. I've been sort of avoiding it just because, like, who cares about another celebrity brand? Especially, you know, no offense, Gwen Stefani. Long story short, first concert, 6th grade was No Doubt. Yeah. I'm not going to say how long ago that was. Okay. It was a long time ago. But this is the Dewy Plump Collagen Lip Tint. Oh, Collagen Cheek Tint. Excuse me. And the reason why I got this product is because they have the same product as a cheek tint and they have a lip tint. They have full line of the same flavors that are in the exact same package. Like, it's almost hard to tell which one is which. But they have the cheek tint separately from the lip tint. And I'm just like, I'm so fucking sick of every single one of these nice blush products being like, oh, I'm a cheek and lip tint. And it's like, no, you're not. You're not a cheek and a lip tint. You're either one or the other. So be one or the other. And don't pretend that you're both. Because you're not. No. So I just saw this. I went in to get a different cheek and lip cream thing, the Lawless one, in this beautiful shade Starburst, but they didn't have it at my Sephora. They only had these 2 other shades, and I didn't want them. So this is a full unboxing today. So I just went around the store, and I was like, well, I gotta get something. You know? And so I just saw this Marigold's cheek tint. It looked gorgeous. It looked exactly what I was looking for. And it's just like, do I need another blush? Absolutely not. All the videos from all the girlies now are like, no, we don't need more blushes. But here's another blush video. I love this packaging. It just really stood out and spoke to me. I'm a packaging nerd. Most things I don't care about, but then when there's something that catches me, I like it. Oof. I like these black and white thingies. It's very nostalgic. It serves a lot on the interior. So it says plump, smooth, hydrate. Are we going to plump the cheeks with this? I mean, I don't think so. Are we going to smooth? Are we going to hydrate? Doubt it. Packed with hyaluronic acid and collagen boosters. The shade is called Marigolds. How delightful. Okay, we're going to open it from the bottom so that we don't disrupt the sticker on top. We don't know how this is going to go. You know, this could be a great product. Could be a total flop. You know, we might return it. That's my big threat. That's my big threat every time. I might return that bitch. Oh. You know, I like the inside of packaging. And this one is a big fat nothing. There's nothing on the inside. It's okay. That's cheaper. Oh! That feels lovely. Oh, it just feels luxurious. It's gorgeous. It's a glass bottle. It's got a nice kind of metal plastic topper. It's glass, but it's got frosted glass. I got the word. Dewy Plump Collagen Cheek Tint. Okay, let's open it up and look at it. All right, let's show the product, people. Cute. Oh my. What the devil? Wow. Okay. Huh. I'm not sure what I'm looking at. It looks pink in this lighting. I believe this is a peachy, but it looks a little pinky. Okay. Wow. He's so fascinated. Let's swipe it. Oh, hello. Oh, that is so liquidy. Oh my gosh. It's a really beautiful shade of peach. Like, this is what I'm looking for. This is like the classic kind of peach skin tone. Oh my gosh. What? Where did it go? What the devil? The devil, where did it go? Devil, did you just see that, devil? Devil, did you see that? Where is it? I just painted a bunch on. I just painted a bunch on and I blended it and it's all gone. Oh my God, I'm getting flushed. Oh my God, I gotta take a sip of my little coffee. Ooh. Oh, I'm getting verklempt. I'm getting verklempt over here. Oh my gosh, it blended out into nothing. I love a sheer blend out. Oh, I love a sheer blend out. Okay, I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know what to do. We're just gonna do it. We're gonna do it, girl. Boom. Okay, boom. All right, we're gonna start with one dot on each cheek. All right, we're gonna use our little blush. Brush. Okay, let's see here. All right, I put one dot on, and we're just gonna kind of blend that out. Classic cheek. We're not really looking for blush in this type of moment. We're looking for skin tone. You know, we're just kind of creating a base skin tone. The background that I was supposed to give is that we're all done up to this phase. We've got some foundation on. We got a little bit of bronzer. We've got our skincare. So this is the point where we would put on a cream blush to create a little bit of skin tone back into the face. And based on I hope that you can hear that. I hope you can hear the ice cream truck that's outside of my house right now. Because that's baller. Because that's what we do. It's Saturday. It's June, baby. Happy June, baby. Go get yourself some ice cream. Why not? Oh, okay. So as I was saying, we're putting a little bit of skin tone on. And like, this shit is just... I mean, honestly, based on the swatch, that literally, it disappeared into the skin. I mean... might need to put more of this on here. But I think it's going to serve exactly what I'm looking for on my no makeup days. Because I just need some skin tone on there. Let's just use this product because we're doing a review. So we're going to just kind of... We're going to put a shitload on. I think the ice cream truck has stopped right outside of my home. Because it's very loud. And I'm probably going to get... This is probably like... a copyrighted song. And this video is probably going to be shut down. They're like, nope, you played the ice cream song on your video. You are banned. I hope so. I hope that happens, YouTube. That would be so funny. That'd be so fun. Okay, as you can see, I just kind of put this shit all over my face, dog. We're just going for it. Oh, wait. Now we're going to stipple. We're going to blend. And we're just going to make some peachy skin tone here. We put a bunch on the forehead. We're just gonna skin tone out that forehead, guys. Oh man, is this gonna work? Don't know. I have like a meeting in an hour from some guy that wants to like take my picture. That might sound weird that I said it like that, but it's for like journalism. It's for photojournalism, I swear. You know, when you get an oof out of me, that's a good thing. It doesn't smell very good. It just smells like chemicals, which is whatever, who cares? It smells like paint, you know? But we're painting our face, so. All right, now let's put a little bit on the bridgie, the nosy area. Root off that shit, baby. All right. I mean, if I'm being honest, which, you know, we try to do that here on the channel. We try to be honest, you know? We're humans. Humans are not honest creatures. So that's the problem with humans and honesty. Is that they're actually not capable of being honest. It's part of being a human. That's a different channel. My bad. So as we were being honest, I mean, I put a bunch of this orange shit all over my face and I can't see anything. I mean, I think it looks baller. Let's try to get you a close up here. I mean, I'm super impressed with this product. I really like it. It looks really, really sheer. If you're looking for coverage when it comes to a cheek tint, I don't know if this is for you. If you're looking for a like no makeup look, like this is on the this is the likely to be recommended list. Dewy Plump Collagen Cheek Tint from GXVE. I wish they wrote it down somewhere else on the package so you could be like, is it actually Give or is it GXVE? I'm not sure it matters. They say to actually use your fingertips. So that's interesting. Why would you use your fingertips when there's a doe foot applicator? That's bizarre. Okay. Anyway. So, I mean, normally I would do the powder and all that, but like, I'm not gonna, because it's time to go. But you guys have a great day. This give is giving. This give is giving. Give to the give, baby. Have a great day. Bye.